They say Uwazuruike don finally leave in Lando and the house for Hope Uzodinma and the bishop. No be small thing o. Uwazuruike say don comot in hand as Hope Uzodinma police and the DSS and army go buy Uwazuruike men dem. Now Uwazuruike come comot in hand say him be non-violent. No be small thing as that one dey happen, my people. They say for Lagos now na midnight they come notify people wey get shop for Lagos say make they carry their goods o comot. Say if they no carry their goods comot, na so they go take carry bulldozer enter inside that place. Now our people use midnight they pack their money, the goods, so everything they comot for shop. Oh, things they happen. Things are really happening to Ndi Igbo. My wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. See there they bring update back to back as it dey hot. Make sure say you share this video and make sure say you follow this page for more up there, because we dey here they bring you live things where they happen for inside Nigeria, for inside Africa, for inside Biafra land, for Ali Igbo entirely. Things are really happening. Remember say last time we update you of how Uwazuruike take dey cry say they want collect in land for inside Owerri. Say Hope Uzodinma and one bishop wan collect in land. So Uwazuruike be like say some of him men don go there wey be in police for inside Mozop, don go that area, wan go guard the land as the oga land say they no go collect am o. Na so Hope Uzodinma go carry in police and DSS they enter that place. So akakaka boom. Now many people come baga, some buy for inside the matter. Uwazuruike come outside to say he no want violence again. Now so this man wey they call Uwazuruike, I know 3 or 4 people from my side that year wey Fulani they do was Mozop. So they go carry bus, carry Biafra plate number, put inside the drive. Now there Nigeria army go open pa, many go fall. Once you see say men don't by that time go come outside, they come say him be no violence, him be this, him be that. However, I go play you the video, may you hear when in the talk am say he no want the land again. And before we come back, go continue.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Uwazuruike. This afternoon, my men called me from their location to say that some policemen came and arrested 6 of my security men on that piece of land that is in the Court of Appeal. There are so many gunshots and all that. To the glory of God, no one died. They later went and brought in a bulldozer to clear the debris of the demolition they made last time. I have looked at this thing. It's not worth it. We have more than 8 parcels of land around that my own that are empty parcels of land, about 8 of them around my own. They were empty. They are empty now. The governor could give any of them to the Archbishop, but he doesn't want to do that. Rather, he chose to demolish my house to give to the Archbishop. That land is not worth the blood of anybody. I've given it away. Then the Archbishop, what's his name? Uwazuruike. Take it. He has won. He won me. He has defeated me with the aid of the governor. The governor has enormous constitutional rights and powers in Nigeria. As a matter of fact, By statute, all the lands in Imo State belong to the governor. But the issue here is that this land is in the Court of Appeal. Due process was supposed to take place, but it didn't take place. I've asked my lawyers to discontinue with the Court of Appeal cases. There's no justice. Because I don't want anybody to die. I'm doing this video now so that everybody, all my members should know that I have withdrawn from that land. So nobody should be there again. Nobody should go to that place again. Let them have the land, a piece of land. The other adjoining lands, empty lands in that place, belonging to the government. I don't need compensation for my house destroyed. No, I don't need. It's a sacrifice. I have made so many sacrifices in my life. I sacrificed my entire useful age to the struggle for Ndibo. I could have been a governor, I could have been a senator, but I sacrificed that. I subsumed that into the interest of the Igbo man. But they don't even appreciate it. I have contributed enormously to the peace of the Southeast, to the peace of Imo State, but it's not appreciated. I brought in non-violence to restore life, to save life. So, why should a piece of land be a source of death to anybody? I have withdrawn. Archbishop Lucius Ugoji, your grace, the land is now yours. Take from the bottom of my heart. You have won. Take the land. Let there be peace in Imo State. Let there be peace in the Southeast. Let there be peace in Igbo land. It's part of the sacrifices I've been making. Thank you very much.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't hear everything where Ralph Uwazuruike talk for this particular video concerning impasse of land, and so they go tell us so say nothing happened, but the grant will give us this information say something really happened for inside that place. But however, when I don't hear them, Uwazuruike don't leave the land for Uzodinma and the bishop. However, as that one they happen, they say that the Lagos State continue the demolition where they go on for inside where our people get some businesses for Lagos. Tinubu and the governor of Lagos State, the demolition continue. So let me show you this video for you to watch how they notified our people in midnight to pack out their things, or in the next morning that place will go down. Watch this video before we come back and continue.
Na omekwena n'ọzọ aka na-ekwu nke mere eme ọzọ a na-emekwa ihe ashọpụ ụmụnne anyị na desa n'abalị a ga ewetara akwụkwọ kpọrọ ndị uwe ojii ju everywhere si onye ọnwụna kwara ngwongwo ọkwefuru ngwongwo ndị mmadụ n'ilo ihe ahụ shop ihe ahụ n'ilo ihe ahụ desa. That is Ibejuleki local government before Eleko Junction. Kwefuru otu ụmụnne anyị ha si ebu ngwongwo n'abalị kịta ga-abịa chụpụ anyị na shop anyị onye ọwụna so onye ọwụna kwara ngwongwo ha everybody na-akwa ngwongwo n'abalị ihe ahụ plaza dị na desa bus stop unu afụnanụ a na-emepụ a na-eme ọzọ a na-emepụ ihe ahụ ma ndị eletrika ma ndị plọmba ọkụ na-afụ na ngwongwo ụmụnne anyị ha lee n'abalị a ga-abịara so onye ọnwụ nakwara ngwongwo na-achọghị idemorishie ọ kwefuru ya na ngwongwo ndị mmadụ kwefuna ngwongwo ndị mmadụ juru n'ilo olube 30 minutes ndị abịara ebe a so onye ukwu onye nta kwara ngwongwo ya na Desa bus stop before Ibejuleki before Eleko Junction na Ibejuleki ọ ebe ọ na-eme ọ kịta ihe aka na-eme akwụna ofuru ya today 25 January 2024 lenu ngwongwo ndị be anyị ngwaahịa ndị be anyị lenu ngwaahịa ndị be anyị lee shop niile kwefu onye nke akwacha na ngwongwo ya na shop ọkwapụcha na elo shop yezi oye akwụna ofuru ya n'abalị a olube 30 minutes akpọrọ ndị uwe ojii kpọjuo everybody enwekwe notice enwekwe onye nyere notice akwụna ofuru everywhere today 25 January 2024 ụmụ Igbo ele ebe anyị gba na-aga lenu ngwongwo ụmụnne anyị o ngwaahịa ụmụnne anyị ha ancha n'ilo ọ na mmiri zoo kịta now everything emebiche iyawo electrical ọkwụna ofuru everything carton enwere otu mmiri si zoo kịta now ya niile awụ n'ihe mebiri emebi ọkwụna ofuru ya ụna afụrụ ya anyị na-agabiga n'obodo a ka anyị manụ na ihe manụ otu anyị ga-esi mene ihe a na ihe akarịkwana enweghị ezikwe ndị ahara.
Yeah, my wonderful people, shebi you don see am, and we don tell our people so many times. Abeg, more na dey relocate to na business, dey come home, or the place, the shop, everything una build. More na make sure say una hold the legal document so that when e start, una go gree. Una no go gree say no, this one we get the legal document. But however, ndị Igbo, we are so sorry. Since we wanna keep quiet, the only man we go come outside come talk, say see oh, so things go dey happen. Una leave am, e dey for inside DSS dungeon. Una no wan do anything. No wahala, we still dey here dey watch. However, share the video, more other people dey get the information and don't know wetin dey happen. Thank you so much, my fans. For most of una wey dey share my video, most of una wey dey support, dey like, God go bless all of una. Keep on spreading the message. May our people dey get the information of wetin dey happen. Thank you so much.